Hello guys, what's up? So if you are new to YouTube and if you want a free sound so that you can use in your YouTube videos and you want totally free, then I will show you a best sound from where I get it for my YouTube videos. So coming up. So probably my first best side from where I get sound is YouTube. The first one is my YouTube. So I will go to my channel. This is the number one from where I get my sounds. You can go to YouTube Studio. First you need to go to your channel and after that go to YouTube Studio. So after going to YouTube Studio, so you need to go to setting here. It's in the Creator Studio Classic. So here you get, no, not here. No, it's here. After you go to your studio, you will go to create. So basically this in your account, YouTube account, there is a Creator Studio and there is a sound where YouTube gives for creators. So the sound is totally free, of course, and you can use in any of your YouTube videos. So it's free, of course, and no bankrupt at all. So after going to create, so here you can see too much sound. There are too much. You can choose your genres, which genres you like. There are too much genres, and you can choose the instruments. All kind of sounds are here. Durations, you can choose your duration in how long your song you want, and the attributes. These are not required. So basically here all are free, but some are there where it says you need to mention them in your description in your video when you upload it. There are some sounds where it says you need to, so there are some sounds where you say you are free to use this song in any of your videos, but you must include the following in your video description. So these things you need to copy and paste in your video so that you won't get any copyright strikes or anything. So rest as these are all free. You are free to use this song for any of your videos. So this is the number one site from where I get the most songs. These are our songs. So you can get sound effects also. Effects like horn sounds, the 50 calcium drops. There are too much sound effects. So YouTube audio library is pretty good for a beginner's level. If you want free music, you don't want to pay for your songs, and if you want to make your videos in free, then probably this is gonna be the number one where YouTube provides you for free. So try this out, you'll be shocked with its results. And another one is also inside the YouTube, but it's no copyright sounds. So they also provide a variety of sounds where you can use in your video. It's all no copyright, so you can use in whatever videos you want. So just go to YouTube, just search no copyright sounds. Here it comes too much sound, so here are the top sounds. You can use this in your videos as well. Free download the stream here. They have the too much descriptions. You can check out the project, the request for commercial license. You can use these sounds in any of the video you want. And my another tips for using sound is whenever you go to YouTube and check free sounds, just go to the descriptions where they have written many things, where maybe you should make license, or maybe you should mention them in your description. So just before you make sound in before you put sound into your video, just make sure you go to their description below and check everything detailed, so that you will not get copyright strikes when you put into your video. Hello guys, what's up? This is Kishore Dutraj and you're watching my channel. So if you're new here, consider subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And if you like it, please give a thumbs up, and if you want more videos in future, then please comment down below so that I will follow up your comments. So till then, thank you so much for watching, and you will see me in the next video. Peace.